Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you step by step how to submit your CAT assignment on the MKU VLMS platform. If you are a student struggling with uploading your assignment, this guide will make it simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your course page. First, open your browser and log into the MKU VLMS website. After logging in, go to your course page and open the CAT 2 assignment section. Step 2. Check assignment details. Here you can see the CAT page. Check the opening date and the submission deadline and download the assignment file if you need the instructions. Step 3. Add your submission. Scroll down until you find the Add Submission button. Click on it to start uploading your work. Step 4. Choose File Upload. A submission window will appear under File Submissions. Click the File Uploads option. This will open the file picker. Step 5. Upload your assignment file. Select Upload a file, then choose the assignment document from your phone or your computer. Make sure your file is saved in the correct format such as Word or PDF. Step 6. Confirm your file. After selecting the file, wait for it to upload. Confirm that the correct document appears in the submission area. Step 7. Save your submission. Scroll down and click Save Changes. This will upload your assignment to the system. Step 8. Final check. After saving, check that your submission appears successfully. Make sure you submit before the deadline to avoid missing your CAT marks. And that is how you submit your CAT assignment on MKU VLMS. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with other students. Thanks for watching.